We are pleased to show you the 2021 CT5. The Cadillac CT5 offers a powerful engine, an upscale interior, and plenty of technology. Couple that with an exterior design that is stunning, and you have a vehicle sure to make people notice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, keyless start, floor mats, universal garage door opener, cold weather package, front license plate bracket, 4-piece floor mat set. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.